Relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks! Hello there! Hiya,
Hey, Mick and Lynn.
Sure is a good bit of our thing.
Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, it's working on me. Picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I am so high that we would finally make it. We've had one crazy ride. Love with you by my side. The stars will be
ever do. Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.